Make the ground shake.
No one doing it. Yeah, guess not. Oh, yes, man!
Blow the pumpkin up.
Blow the pumpkin up.
Oh, like,
Bye.
it's pointing at you.
So I hope you enjoyed that video. I certainly enjoyed being there. It was really funny. Just a quick note, I'm probably not going to do as many videos. I might do like the odd one like this until I get my Xbox One, which shouldn't be too long now. I think it's I'm getting in about a few weeks, probably after my birthday. So thanks for watching, and bye.